when the shadows fall and the night is long.
Change your mindset, redefine success, top thinking strategies to break through life's limits. Welcome to Living Well, Living Rich Bilingual Academy of Health and Wealth. Join Coco Shungzhen for a few minutes of learning each day to create your value and become a better version of yourself. Remember, making yourself valuable is the greatest wealth of a lifetime. In today's fast-paced world, success seems more elusive than ever. Whether it's workplace competition or personal growth, everyone is looking for ways to break through their current limitations. Changing your mindset is the key to unlocking the door to success. In this episode, we'll explore 11 top thinking strategies that can help us make better decisions in life and find stability in an ever-changing world. 1. Mosquito mindset: adapt and embrace change. In heavy rain, each raindrop feels like a speeding bus crashing into a pedestrian for a mosquito, yet mosquitoes can dodge these deadly drops. Studies have shown that mosquitoes quickly adjust their body posture according to the impact direction of raindrops, allowing them to slide off. Even when directly hit, mosquitoes fall with the raindrop, swiftly breaking away and resuming flight. This ability to adapt is key to their survival, teaching us that we must actively adjust and adapt to external changes to find certainty amid uncertainty. 2. Bullet hole mindset: look at problems from the reverse to find key points. During World War II, the U.S. military needed to decide where to add armor on planes to improve their defense. Traditionally, they added armor to the areas with the most bullet holes on returning planes, thinking these areas were most vulnerable. However, mathematician Abraham Wald suggested reinforcing the areas with the fewest bullet holes, like the engines, because planes hit there never returned. This mindset emphasizes the importance of considering problems from the reverse perspective, not only seeing the obvious issues but also identifying crucial but less apparent factors. 3. Return the books mindset: break out of fixed frameworks, solve problems creatively. In the 1990s, a UK library faced high transportation costs during a relocation. To save on moving expenses, a young librarian suggested allowing free borrowing with the condition that books be returned to the new location. This return the books strategy completed 90% of the relocation and drastically cut costs. This example highlights the importance of breaking away from fixed thinking frameworks. When traditional methods fail, changing the approach might lead to a novel solution. 4. Lighthouse mindset: follow long-term goals, stay calm amid short-term gains and losses. Prominent entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, have a lighthouse mindset. He is willing to invest heavily in experiments that may take years to succeed because he values long-term returns over short-term gains. Similarly, SoftBank's founder Masayoshi Son attributes many people's lack of significant success to their absence of grand goals. Those with this mindset can remain composed when facing challenges and setbacks because they understand that short-term fluctuations won't affect their long-term direction. 5. Root cause mindset: trace the root, find the core issue. At Google, the tech team discovered that ad conversion rates among Chinese users were lower than expected. The business team suggested adjusting font sizes and background colors to make ads more appealing. However, further communication revealed that Chinese users habitually skip top-of-page ads when opening websites. By moving the ads to the bottom, conversion rates significantly improved. This mindset teaches us to address problems at the root rather than simply applying superficial fixes. 6. Lazy ant mindset: allocate time wisely, act smartly. Research from Hokkaido University in Japan found that some seemingly lazy ants were actually scouting for new resources. When food sources were cut off, these lazy ants guided others to new ones. This reminds us not to be endlessly busy. Sometimes, taking a moment to think and plan is key to making the right decisions when needed. Smart action and wise time allocation are more important than blind busyness. 7. Field mindset: choose the right environment to improve yourself. The field mindset emphasizes selecting and creating the right environment to help us improve. It suggests that behavior is influenced more by psychological fields than merely by objective environmental conditions. Therefore, choosing and creating a suitable environment for growth is essential. One story involves someone riding a horse across Lake Constance in the snow, mistaking the lake's surface for solid ground and proceeding safely. However, upon realizing the truth, the rider's fear caused them to fall. This story illustrates that in a state of ignorance, a person may act without fear, but once aware of the environment's reality, their psychological field greatly impacts their actions. In real life, choosing the right environment can similarly influence our performance and growth. For example, an employee who wants to improve focus but is often interrupted at work decides to reorganize their workspace, remove unnecessary decorations, use noise-canceling headphones, and set specific times to turn off all notifications and social media. These changes significantly improve their work efficiency in a short time. Moreover, if someone aims to enhance their cognitive level and knowledge depth, they should avoid low-quality information sources and opt for high-quality books, courses, and like-minded friends. By creating a high-quality environment, their thinking patterns and decision-making abilities will gradually evolve, becoming more mature and profound. These examples show that choosing and creating suitable psychological fields can greatly enhance our abilities and performance. We must actively change our environment to make it a facilitator of our growth and success rather than a hindrance. 8. Track shift mindset. Switch tracks timely, quit wisely. A young woman discovered that her boyfriend had a gambling problem and ultimately chose to break up decisively, avoiding potential future losses. Despite family and friends' persuasion, she stuck to her decision. Later, she met a more suitable partner, while her ex-boyfriend ended up heavily in debt and jobless due to gambling. This story teaches us that not every persistence is worthwhile. Knowing when to quit wisely can be more important than blindly holding on. 9. Filling the pit mindset. Solve problems, enhance core competitiveness. In the workplace, the filling the pit mindset involves a proactive attitude towards solving problems rather than avoiding responsibilities. This mindset not only helps individuals grow quickly but also significantly enhances their core competitiveness. For example, a new employee named Lee Jia faced a daunting issue just 3 days into her job. The company's website encountered a major glitch affecting overall operations. Although unfamiliar with the website's system and lacking experience, Lee Jia did not back down or shirk responsibility. Instead, she volunteered to take on the challenge. Throughout the process, Lee Jia demonstrated her pit-filling mindset. She quickly identified the problem's root cause and actively collaborated with the tech department and external vendors. Despite some colleagues doubting her ability to handle the task, Lee Jia remained undeterred. She used her off hours to learn relevant technical skills and sought advice from experienced colleagues over coffee. After a few days of hard work, Lee Jia not only successfully fixed the website but also optimized the system to prevent similar issues in the future. Her performance impressed her colleagues and earned her recognition from the company's leadership, even leading to an early promotion. Lee Jia's story shows that the pit-filling mindset is not just about addressing immediate problems but also about showcasing one's abilities and enhancing core competitiveness. When we face challenges, taking a proactive approach and finding solutions can turn these pits into stepping stones in our careers. 10. Barrel mindset. Play to your strengths, avoid weaknesses. The barrel mindset emphasizes focusing on strengths and avoiding weaknesses, allowing us to concentrate on what we excel at and expand our advantages, ultimately achieving greater success. German scientist Walter Nernst's story is a classic example of this mindset. Initially interested in literature and painting, Nernst faced repeated setbacks in these fields. After several failures, his teacher suggested he try chemistry. In this new field, Nernst discovered his talent, excelling and eventually making significant breakthroughs, earning the Nobel Prize in Chemistry. His story illustrates that by focusing on strengths and avoiding weaknesses, one can carve out a path to success. Another example is May, a professional who found her skills in data analysis and report writing to be average but excelled in teamwork and project management. She chose to invest more time in project management training and practice, gradually improving her management skills and leading her team to complete key projects successfully, ultimately being promoted to project manager. May's choice reflects the barrel mindset. She avoided her weaknesses and focused on her strengths, achieving continuous progress and success in her career. These examples tell us that the core of the barrel mindset is to play to your strengths and not get overly caught up in your shortcomings. By finding your highlights and continuously amplifying them, you can broaden your life's path. By focusing on your strengths, you can truly unlock your potential and create your own brilliance. 11. Empty cup mindset. Maintain a learning attitude, continuously renew yourself. The empty cup mindset refers to maintaining a learning attitude, continually emptying oneself to accept new knowledge and experiences, and not stopping growth because of past achievements or failures. This mindset enables us to keep progressing in a rapidly changing world and have the ability to start anew. A young entrepreneur, after facing a failed venture, became trapped in his attachment to the past and self-doubt, making it difficult to muster the courage to take on new challenges. One day, he met an old Zen master who poured him a cup of water, which overflowed, yet the master continued pouring. The Zen master then said, "If your mind is full, you cannot take in anything new." The young man realized that having an empty cup mindset would allow him to start fresh without being fixated on past failures. Similarly, a high-level executive named Mr. Wang at a well-known tech company had years of industry experience and significant achievements. However, facing rapid technological changes, Mr. Wang maintained an empty cup mindset. When the company decided to pivot into the AI field, he didn't rest on his laurels or shy away due to unfamiliarity with new technologies. He actively participated in various training courses, learned alongside younger engineers, and frequently attended industry forums to absorb the latest knowledge and perspectives. Ultimately, Mr. Wang led his company through a successful transformation, once again securing a leading position in the market. This story shows that the empty cup mindset enables us to embrace change with an open and learning attitude, continually renewing ourselves to stand out in fierce competition. In this world full of challenges, changing your mindset is our best tool for dealing with uncertainty. Whether it's the adaptability of the mosquito mindset or the thoroughness of the root cause mindset, each top strategy offers different insights and strength. By adopting these top-level mindsets, we can not only handle life's challenges better but also find our path to success in an ever-changing environment. Life is like a journey. Only by constantly breaking free from the shackles of old thinking can we welcome a broader future. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the next podcast. kokoshungzhen.net.
When the shadows fall and the night is long, hold on tight, you're where you belong. In the face of fear, find your inner light. You have the strength to win the fight. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. Feels tough and the days are cold, keep your dreams alive, let your story unfold. Every step you take brings you closer still. Believe in yourself, you have the will. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. Darkest hours, let your fire ignite. Guide your way through the longest night. With every heartbeat, with every stride, know that victory lies inside. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. Faith, let your heart lead the way. The world is yours, embrace the day. With love and hope you'll find your path. Tomorrow's a new dawn, feel the aftermath. When the shadows fall and the night is long, hold on tight, you're where you belong. In the face of fear, find your inner light. You have the strength to win a fight. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. When the world feels tough and the days are cold, keep your dreams alive, let your story unfold. Every step you take brings you closer still. Believe in yourself, you have the will. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. Whoa. When the darkest hours, let your fire ignite. Guide your way through the longest night. With every heartbeat, with every stride, know that victory lies inside. Find the strength within, let your spirit soar. Break through the darkness, open every door. Stand tall with courage in your heart. You have the power, it's time to start. So keep the faith, let your heart lead the way. The world is yours, embrace the day. With love and hope you'll find your path. Tomorrow's a new dawn, feel the aftermath.